Hello, my dear students. Now we are going to complete practice set number 5.2 of Mathematics 2. But before I start the exercise, this exercise is based on three formulas. You all can see over here section, midpoint, and centered formula. It is there in the page number 112. You all can see section mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. For the midpoint, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. For centroid, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. 5.2 question number 1. Find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment joining the points A minus 1, 7, B 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So P x, y divides segment AB in the ratio 2:3. A coordinate has been given x1, y1, B 4 minus 3 equals x2, y2. M is to n equals 2:3. So by section formula, you can see x equals 5 upon 5, 1, y equals 15 upon 5 equals 3. So the coordinate of point P is 1, 3. Sum number 3. Find the ratio in which point T minus 1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points P minus 3, 10 and Q 6, minus 8. So let point T divide segment PQ in the ratio m is to n. Point T minus 1, 6 equals x, y. P minus 3, 10 equals x1, y1. Q 6, 8 equals x2, y2. So by section formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. You all can take x as well as y also. So I have taken x over here. So x value is what? Minus 1 m into 6 plus n into minus 3 m plus n. So when you cross multiply, minus m minus n equals 6m minus 3n. So m on the one side and n on another side will give you minus 7m equals minus 2. So m cross multiply upon n equals 2 upon 7. So m is 2, n equals 2:7. Sum number 6. Find the coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. So let A 22, 20 equals x1, y1 and B 0, 16 equals x2, y2. So let M x, y be the midpoint of segment AB, and midpoint divides the segment into two equal parts. So x equals x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x1 is 22 plus 0 upon 2. So we'll give you 22 upon 2 will give you 11, and y equals 20 plus 16 upon 2, 36 upon 2 will give you 18. So m value of m, so coordinate of m equals 11, 18. Question number 7. Find the centroids of the triangles whose vertices are given below. Sum number 1. Minus 7, 6, 2, minus 2, 8, 5. So let A minus 7, 6 equals x1, y1. B 2, minus 2 equals x2, y2. C 8, 5 equals x3, y3. So let G be the centroid of triangle ABC, and value of G equals x, y. So centroid formula is what? X equals x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 2, and for y, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So x1 minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3. So we'll give you 3 upon 3, x equals 1. And y equals 6 plus minus 2 plus 5. So 9 upon 3 will give you 3. So the centroid, G is the centroid equals 1 comma 3. Sum number 9th. A h minus 6 b 2 comma 3 c minus 6 comma k are the coordinates of vertices of a triangle whose center is g 1 comma 5. Find h and k. So let a h minus 6 equals x1 y1, b 2 comma 3 equals x2 y2, c minus 6 comma k equals x3 y3, and g 1 comma 5 equals x and y, and g is the centroid of the triangle they have given. So centroid formula is what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y equals y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. X, it is 1, h plus 2 plus minus 6 upon 3. So cross multiply 3 h plus 2 plus minus 6, so minus 6. So numbers on one side, so 3 plus 4 equals h, so h equals 7. Same way for y, sorry, for h. Okay. So 5 into 3 will give you 15, plus minus minus, so minus 3 plus k. So 15 plus 3 equals k, so k equals 18. So value of h equals 7 and k equals 18. Sum number 11. If a minus 14 comma minus 10 b 6 comma minus 2 is given, find the coordinates of the point which divides the segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts. So I have written over here, you all can see coordinate of A and B is given, and point P x comma x1 comma y1, point Q x2 comma y2, and point R x3 comma y3 be the 3 points which divide AB into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I take point Q, midpoint of segment AB, so by midpoint formula, x2, this x2 equals minus 14 plus 6 upon 2, and same way for y2, minus 10 plus minus 2, so minus plus minus, so minus 12 upon 2, minus 8 upon 2, so will leave you minus 4, minus 6. So point Q coordinate is minus 4 comma minus 6. We know that midpoint, it divides the segments into 2 equal parts. Same way AP equals PQ, so point P is the midpoint of AQ. So same way by midpoint formula, x1 equals minus 14 plus minus minus, so minus 18 upon 2 will give you minus 9. Same way for y1, minus 10 plus minus minus, so minus 16 upon 2 will give you minus 8. So coordinate of point P is minus 9 minus 8. So QR equals BR, R is the midpoint. Same way we'll find x3 and y3. So coordinate of R is 1 comma minus 4. So point minus 9 8, Q minus 4 minus 6, and R 1 comma minus 4 divides AB into 4 equal parts. With that, 5.2 exercise has been completed. Thank you.